Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on? Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast all about motivating and inspiring towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and here is your quote. No one is you, and that is your superpower. Now, if you remember, I told you, didn't I? I told you that you had a superpower, and you didn't believe me. There really is only you, a one-off version, a strictly limited edition. You're a very special person who no one else can be. So, get yourself out there, spread some of that sparkle, and well, don't forget to create magical rainbows while you're at it.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.